Property Vista is a fully featured property management platform built for medium-sized to large property management firms. It centralizes leasing, tenant communication, accounting, maintenance and reporting all in one place. One of its main strengths is automation, which reduces manual work and improves operational efficiency. The platform offers tenant portals, online payments and detailed analytics. It also supports professional level accounting and reporting. However, its wide features see contributions to a steep learning curve, which can be difficult for beginners or those who are new to the platform. Implementation and data migration can also take some extra time. Subscription costs may be high for small portfolios, but is worth it if you have a larger portfolio. The system requires constant internet access. Some users report minor usability issues. Despite this, the Property Vista is a powerful and scalable software, and it's best suited for those growing a management company. Smaller landlords may find it overwhelming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.